Parents of students of SJKT Bukit Mertajam have voiced out their safety concerns on Tuesday over the ongoing 26-storey condominium construction project outside the school's entrance. The school's Parent-Teacher Association Chairman K. Narayanan says the project is not only endangering lives of the 450 pupils but also causes inconvenience to traffic along the narrow road.
Masalah utama yang kita hadapi sekarang ialah dari segi aspek keselamatan para pelajar kita. Seperti mana yang tuan-tuan dapat lihat sebentar tadi di hadapan, kawasan jalan raya menuju ke sekolah telah semakin sempit. Bina tidak ditutup. Jangan biarkan longkang-longkang macam tu. Nyaris-nyaris pelajar-pelajar kita terjatuh ke dalam longkang semasa mereka melintas.
Narayanan, together with Consumers Association of Penang Education Officer and V. Subarao and parents, staged a peaceful demonstration outside the school, urging the Public Works Department and Seberang Prime Municipal Council to look into the matter. However, a spokesperson from the developer's company says they have obtained the necessary approval for the project. The project will house 147 units when completed.